number.
The horror of September the 11th. Al-Qaeda terror.
Special Forces Battalion.
Individual terrorists.
32nd Support Group.
Whose terror organization carried out more than 90 terrorist attacks.
Curtis, put your weapon down!
Al-Qaeda members.
I can't do that, Jack.
September the 11th.
By order of the President of the United States, put down your weapon!
Weapons of mass destruction, September the 11th. Terrorism.
You can't. I gave him my word that we would protect him.
Al-Qaeda leaders, September the 11th.
I didn't. Curtis, please, don't do this.
It has tried to kill thousands of people. Deception, threat to peace. Serious dangers gathering against us. We must not ignore the threat. Senior Al-Qaeda leader, September the 11th. Terrorists, 2001.
I can't let this animal live.
The war on terror. The war against terror.
Terrorists.
Terrorist group. Terror. Terrorist. September the 11th. The attacks of September the 11th to America. September the 11th. A nuclear war on September the 11th. Terror. Nuclear. Those who hate America. 2001.
Yeah.
Jack, it's Bill. Sprague told me what happened. Curtis didn't leave you any choice.
That's what I keep trying to tell myself.
You did the right thing. We need Assad alive. He's on his way back. I think you should come in too.
Tell the president I'm sorry. I can't do this anymore.
The hell you can't. We're gonna find that suitcase nuke because of you, Jack. You've done great work today.
Good, then you don't need me anymore.
I'll send a car for you, Jack. Come back here, we'll talk.
I'm done.
Weapons of mass destruction. Terror. Terrorist groups. War on terror.
Mr. Buchanan, the tag team is ready.
Patch me in. Make sure the White House is connected to the feed.
Terrorist attacks on America.
September the 11th.
Likely have possessed a nuclear weapon.
How much longer?
Almost finished. Just need to reconnect the fuse.
A nuclear weapon. A nuclear weapon. The war against terror. Terror cells. Those who hate America.
Sabir, I think I saw someone out there.
Who?
Please, somebody, I saw something.
Workable nuclear weapon.
Are you done?
Yes.
Nuclear mujahideen.
Can you detonate now?
Yes.
Nuclear holy warriors. Terror. Threaten America. Terrorism. We cannot wait for the final proof. The smoking gun. Could come in the form of a mushroom cloud. We cannot wait for the final proof. The smoking gun, an atomic weapon, could come in the form of a mushroom cloud. Weapons of mass destruction capabilities. We cannot wait for the final mass destruction. Weapons of mass weapons of terror. The smoking gun that could come in the form of a mushroom cloud. May God bless America.